Hello guys, welcome back to Silver channel. Today we're going to show you how to make delicious Nigerian oil rice. This dish is rich, flavorful, and made with palm oil, spices, and simple ingredients that come together to create an amazing taste. Nigerian oil rice is a comforting meal that's loved in many homes and perfect for family dinners. Stay with me as I show you step by step how to make this tasty dish. Let's get cooking. So the first step is to wash your chicken, make sure it's very clean, make sure there's no excess blood in it or dirt. Now you can go ahead and start chopping your onions into small slices or small dices. Now you can move on to blend your chili. Make sure you wash it first, and then you can add a little bit of water to make the blending process more smooth. After blending, you can go ahead and add some of the chili just blended inside your chicken. Then add a little bit of salt, curry, Maggi, thyme, and a few onions. Stir it a little bit and then add a seasoning cube. This is all up to you how you like to season your chicken, so you don't really have to follow the chicken seasoning. So what you'll do here is cut your bell peppers into two. Then make sure you take all of the seeds inside out. No seeds are allowed to be inside or outside the bell peppers. Make sure you wash them very well. After letting your meat to juices, you can go ahead and add some water so that it can cook properly, and then make sure you stir it in. Now you can break your pieces so they can fit inside the blender. You don't have to do that, that's optional. Just in my case or your case if you're using this type of blender. After you notice that your chicken has finished cooking, of course you can take away the chicken. Now you can heat up your oil. All of the chunky parts do not exist inside, as you can see now. It's just the water. Add a little bit of water inside the pot and let it boil. Now you can fry your chicken. Add your rice inside the boiling water. The rice that you have to use is optional. You do not have to use it from rice as needed. Now add your palm oil inside the dry pot. Nothing should be inside the water, nothing. Just add the palm oil. Make sure the palm oil is because if not, you can't add more paste inside the rice and it will just be tasting like oil. Add your onions inside the palm oil. Make sure the palm oil is not too hot. Make sure it's about a medium heat. Now add your chili. And your bell peppers. Now you can add just a little bit of oil. You can use the same oil that you use for your chicken, or you can use new fresh oil. Add a little bit of onions, and then you can add your bell peppers again. Please make sure that the bell peppers that you have blended before is enough for you to make this process as well, or you can also blend new bell peppers to make the sauce. The sauce is optional, you do not have to. Now for your palm oil, add a little bit of salt, Maggi, another type of Maggi, and stir. Here for the sauce again, add a little bit of salt and stir. For the salt, we do not need any seasoning that is too much because the bell peppers already have their own taste, so it becomes more sweet than too flavorful. Mix your chicken inside the sauce and make sure it's covered with the sauce. Like I said, this is optional. You do not have to do this, but if you really want to enjoy it, this is the right way to do it. Add your meat stock to the palm oil. Then you can add the rice that you halfly cooked. you can go ahead and start stirring the rice. Make sure it's covered in the palm oil. And make sure it all goes inside and is mixed properly. Add a little bit more water if you notice that the water isn't enough. Then cover it up and let it cook for a while. After letting it cook, you will see the difference. See, it has risen. You can start turning it, but make sure you do that carefully so that you don't break your rice. So this is how you make your all rice. This is how my mom makes it. This is how we really like it. This is how the flavor is all inside. How you can enjoy it. And we really want you guys to try this out because the flavor is really inside there. And yeah, if you want more recipes like these, please comment in the section down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any ideas for recipes that you want to try out, for recipes you want to know about, please write in the comment section. Thank you for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And enjoy this wonderful food because I enjoyed it as well. And I'm basically not even lying to you. And this sauce that we keep on making in all these videos will give you a separate video for the sauce so that you don't have to like always look for the video where you have the sauce because the sauce is